Normally I make it a thing every time I go on an adventure in the outdoors. I pick up at least one piece of trash and I bring it out with me. So I'm hiking down the trail here and I stumble across this. I'm like, that's weird. I wonder what that is. And I pick it up and I think that is what people call trail magic. Typically, it's some type of like candy, like a candy bar. Usually it's some type of food or consumable, which I guess that right there is a consumable too, because I think that was some type of edible mushroom, but not the kind that you actually eat for sustenance. I left that there. I'm not gonna bring that one out.